Yeah, today we're riding the Honda 1982 Honda Nighthawk 450. I've been working on this since last summer. I put these pipes on, some modifications. I've painted the tank and covers, custom green. They're not done yet. Just redid the front forks. It took forever to find these, and these are the Tusk. I'll put the link in the bottom, but they're by Tusk and they fit perfect. New dust seals and oil seals and all that in there. I've repainted a lot of this top area too. It was pretty damaged. It's a good running bike. I like cruising on it. New chain, new tires. Tires I had put on are more for like a dual sport, like dirt road type riding, which works out great. I've got some rust still to deal with here, but done a tune up on it. It was running in really good shape in the beginning, and new battery. I'm done with all the upgrades for now, except for I am going to clear coat the final on this, put a few mil more of clear on there, and let's go for a ride. Get it started up here.